Hi, my name is Donna and I am studying an Access to Further Studies course. I decided now was the time to return back to education. Because when I left school, I decided to just get a job. But in the back of my head, I was thinking, I want to go to college. And I was told by people, you can't do it, you've got children. Now they've got older and it's got to the point where they're doing like college and jobs. I was thinking, why can't I? And after hearing about someone I knew who gained a degree at the age of 40, I thought, well, if they can do it, then so can I. So I did a course, an ABE course. It was just focusing on English, the English language. I found the ABE course benefited me, so I didn't feel as nervous as when I first started. One of the many doubts that I had about returning was my confidence. After my first day, my confidence just started growing up. Just because people were so friendly, I was offered support if I needed it. The tutors are so friendly and helpful. I thought because I didn't gain many qualifications in school, then I would be so far behind. But I realised we're all on the same level. What I really enjoy about it is the amount of different people who were in the classes, because I always thought it was just youngsters, and it's really enjoyable getting to know these people, and I've made quite a lot of friends as well. And now I know I can achieve what I want to do in the future. Anything is possible. Once I finish the course, I would like to go and do an access to higher education, which eventually lead to university, because I would love to be a teaching assistant. Never be fearful, never stop your dreams. If you want something, then go for it.